Hi, my name is Alex Charlie with GusandCho.com. I want to compare FHA with conventional. We got a conventional 3% down and FHA 3.5% down. Now, with the conventional 3% down, if you're not a first-time home buyer, that comes with a little stipulations. You can't make a lot of money, or there's a lot of little rules. So let's say you're a first-time home buyer, conventional 3% down, FHA 3.5% down. Let's compare those two. FHA is going to be more forgiving on your credit. So if you got a 640 credit, you can still probably get a conventional loan, no guarantees, but you're going to get a really high interest rate. You'll get high private mortgage insurance. So everything below 680 to 620, which you're eligible for conventional, may nail you with high rates and high PMI. Below 620, you're not eligible for a conventional loan. You have to go FHA. So keep that in mind. If you are below 580 FHA, you got to put 10% down. Now, FHA PMI factors are always the same. 3.5% down is a 0.85 factor. If you put 5% down or more, it's a 0.8 factor. It's always the same. Conventional, you could be at a 1.5 with a 620 credit score. Your PMI factor might be 1.5. Now, what does that 1.5 mean? You take 1.5 times your loan amount, hit percent, divide by 12. That would be your monthly payment for a PMI. So it's almost half as much for FHA than it would be for conventional with a 620 credit score. So keep that in mind. Conventional. If you have to go conventional because the condition of the property, you're going to have to pay those higher rates and the higher PMI. I always push below 680 for an FHA loan unless the property's got some issues with it, because FHA is definitely more forgiving with rates and PMI below 680. Now, if you're above 680, I'm not even thinking FHA. The only reason I'm thinking FHA is if you're buying a $100,000 house and you need all 6% closing cost credits, because FHA allows 6% closing cost credit from the seller, conventional only allows 3%. So if I need those 6%, then I'm going to say FHA is the only way, because you can only come up with a 3.5% down, or you can only come up with a 3% down. You need the sellers to credit all the closing costs, and FHA allows for a larger closing cost credit from the seller. So that's one reason I would only go FHA if I was above 680. Again, below 680, I'm thinking FHA all day long. But if the property won't go, because FHA appraisal is stricter, I'm going to let you go conventional. Now, one thing that FHA is the downside, let's say you're above 680 and you just want to go FHA for some reason, for no other reason, I'm going to say no, conventional is better, because FHA is going to charge you an upfront 1.75% of the loan amount, and they're going to add it back to the loan amount. You're going to borrow that. So it's almost 2% added to your purchase price, because you owe that money now. So you almost paid 2% more for your house when you do that. That's the only downside for FHA. But again, if anything pops up during the underwriting process, FHA is a little more forgiving than conventional. So FHA is a safe place to be. You're definitely paying for all the other foreclosures with that upfront charge. Okay, so that upfront charge, it goes into a pool of money that pays for foreclosures, and that's FHA allows for more risky loans. So that's what you're helping out people pay for. So that's what that charge is going for. It's the downside about FHA. It's the really bad part of it. Again, also the strict appraisals are another bad part. But when it comes to comparing FHA and conventional, I'll help you make the right decision. You give me a call anytime, and I'll tell you which direction we should go, and I'll let you make the decision. You pick FHA or conventional if you have the option, okay? My phone number is 630-915-7550. Please subscribe.